Hi, I'm Griffin Morris, VP of Product at Spatial.ai. Now that you have access to our geosocial data, I wanted to take a minute to walk you through how to read and interpret the data file. Our data is typically delivered in a CSV file at the census block group level of geography. If you need a different file format or a unit of geography, send us an email at support@spatial.ai with your request. So if you open up the data file, and I have a data file here from Williamsburg, New York, you'll see that the first column indicates location. Usually this is going to be census block group. And if you're opening up an Excel like I am, Excel is going to format this a little bit for you. And so what you want to do is you want to change it back to a number, so out of scientific notation. Remove the zeros, and then to make it more accurate, you would add a 0 at the beginning of the ID as well. And then what you have for each block group, a score for every segment. So the score represents a percentile out of 100, and that represents the proportional amount of activity in that location for this segment. So if we have the bookish segment in this block group, it means that that's in the 74th percentile, which would be higher than 74% of all locations. And since this is a proportional score, it makes it really easy to compare locations, because even if they aren't the same exact size of geography, it's still just measuring proportion of that activity. A lot of our clients will map this data. We typically recommend mapping one segment at a time as a heat map. And that can demonstrate how that segment varies over an entire market. If you haven't received any sample heat maps from our team, you can send us a note and we're happy to share some with you. This data becomes really powerful when used in some sort of analytics or data science environment. So comparing this data to any location-based performance and business performance indicator unlocks insights into who your customers really are and which of these segments can impact you both positively and negatively. So a simple way to do that is just to correlate your performance with these segments. If you have any questions or would like any ideas, we have an awesome data science team at Spatial that would be more than happy to talk with you on a call. So that's the high-level overview of the data. Remember, if you have any questions or custom requests, you can email us anytime at support@spatial.ai.